Shape keys can enhance rigging by adjusting the skin or muscles of a character. Create a basis shape key by clicking on the plus icon. Create an additional shape key for each deformation that you want to add. You can use proportional editing in edit mode to increase the muscle deformation. Or in sculpt mode, use the grab brush for a similar effect. You can also use any of the other sculpt brushes as needed. Then set keyframes for the shape keys as appropriate for the poses of the bone. In the next video, we'll look at using drivers to automate this deformation.